Greetings, dear viewers, and welcome to a truly extraordinary session on Greg Kell channel. Today's voyage is destined to be a monumental one, as we embark on an extensive and immersive exploration of the captivating world of passive income, intricately interwoven with the phenomenal capabilities of artificial intelligence. So, get ready for a deep dive into this enriching odyssey. Ensure you have your favorite treats and a comfortable seat, as we unravel the magic that AI can bring to your pursuit of financial independence. The foundation of passive income. Before we plunge headfirst into the boundless realm of AI, let's take a moment to solidify our understanding of passive income's foundational principles. Imagine having money flow into your pockets effortlessly, whether you're asleep, traveling, or pursuing other passions. Passive income is the bridge that leads to a life of financial freedom, allowing you to design your existence on your own terms. The AI revolution and its transformative union with passive income. As we find ourselves amid the technological renaissance of our era, artificial intelligence emerges as a guiding star, illuminating countless industries with its brilliance. When AI and passive income form an alliance, the resulting synergy is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Picture a reality where systems not only autonomously function but also learn, adapt, and optimize strategies in real time. It's akin to having an ingenious partner on your voyage to financial success, a partner that's constantly evolving alongside you. The evolution of investment strategies through AI. Our journey now takes us into the intricate world of investments, where AI's impact is nothing short of revolutionary. With the prowess of advanced algorithms, AI dissects historical data, deciphers complex market trends, and swiftly integrates real-time economic indicators. The outcome? Informed decisions that not only mitigate risks but amplify the potential for lucrative returns. The once elusive dream of beating the market inches closer to reality through AI-driven insights. Crafting mesmerizing content with AI. The landscape of content creation is undergoing an exhilarating transformation, all thanks to the infusion of AI. Imagine the possibilities: articles, scripts, videos, and an array of media seamlessly generated at an astonishing pace. This liberation of time ensures a consistent flow of captivating content for your audience, nurturing engagement and propelling growth like never before. Unveiling the AI advantage in e-commerce. The realm of e-commerce takes on new dimensions when graced by AI. Picture AI-fueled chatbots offering instantaneous customer service, algorithms meticulously curating personalized recommendations, and predictive analytics expertly fine-tuning inventory management. The outcome? An e-commerce venture that operates autonomously, providing you with the space to strategize, innovate, and reach new horizons. Navigating the complexities of AI with finesse. While the potential of AI is awe-inspiring, navigating its complexities demands a nuanced approach. From ethical considerations to addressing biases in algorithms, a thoughtful and ethical approach is essential. Remember, AI is a tool that thrives under human guidance, ensuring responsible and impactful utilization. Embarking on your AI-powered passive income odyssey. Now that the stage is set, let's embark on your transformative journey into the heart of AI-driven passive income. Here's your roadmap to success. Deep dive into AI. Immerse yourself in AI concepts and applications, absorbing its essence. Identifying golden opportunities. Seek out niches where AI can amplify your passive income potential. Starting gradually. Begin with small AI-driven projects and gradually expand your horizons. Embrace lifelong learning. The world of AI evolves rapidly, so keep your curiosity alive and adapt as it unfolds. Illuminating real-life tales of achievement. Let's draw inspiration from real-life stories of triumph. Immerse yourself in the narratives of individuals who transformed their AI-driven dreams into flourishing realities of passive income. These remarkable journeys illuminate the power of determination, innovation, and the boundless potential that emerges from marrying AI with entrepreneurship. Overcoming challenges for sustained growth. Challenges, while demanding, are stepping stones toward greatness. Stay attuned to AI trends. Seek guidance from experts, and cultivate an agile mindset to navigate the ever-evolving landscape successfully. As we conclude this monumental expedition, remember that the universe of AI and passive income is one teeming with potential and perpetual growth. By embracing AI as your steadfast companion, you're embarking on a transformative journey that has the capacity to redefine your financial destiny. Thank you for joining us on this profound journey at Greg's Kell. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay connected with our enlightening content. Until we meet again, may the fusion of AI and passive income propel you toward unparalleled prosperity.